people. How are you all doing? Guess everyone is doing so fine. Welcome back to my kitchen. It's still Benny of Real Benny's Kitchen. Today in my kitchen, I'm going to be showing you something that you used to keep Oga down at home on Friday night or on Saturday for the weekend. What will keep him? It's a special delicacy. And if you do this and it works, let me know in the comment section. Today I'm going to be preparing this Ukpaka sauce with vegetable. You can use any veg of your choice. You can use ugu, you can use green, anyone that suits you, you use. On the table, I have what I'll be using for this, my special sauce to keep Oga down at home with some chilled palm wine or beer. I have my ugu leaves there. You can see my chicken, Ukpaka, Ugba, anyone you want to call it. This is the main ingredient of this my sauce. I have my bouillon cube, crayfish, salt, onions, oil, tomatoes, pepper, and other onions again for garnishing. If you want this thing to go there down well, you have to put enough pepper to make it hot. You can see I'm using yellow and red pepper for coloring. So guys, let's do this together. The first thing I'm going to do is to boil the chicken. This is the already washed chicken. You can use the strong chicken or you can use the soft one. I'm using the soft chicken, so I'm not going to boil it for too long. So I'll add the chickens now into the pot and then season. I'll be adding just one bouillon cube now. Then I'll be adding some salt. Do not put too much salt because the Ugba has enough salt when they were preparing. So just be checking your salt so you don't over salt the food. Then I have chopped onions now. I will not be adding water into the pot. Let it boil with its own juice because I don't need any stock, because the leaf is going to bring out some water for me, so I'll not be adding any water in this so that I get what I want. So I've seasoned them. I will now cover the pot, then let it keep cooking. As it's cooking, I will go and slice the ugu leaves. After some time, it will start bringing out its own juice, and that is what it's going to use to boil. So I'll cover the pot now. So the meat is boiling now. I'll slice the onions, pepper, and tomatoes because I want it to have some roughage. I don't want it to be smooth. That's why I'm not using the blender. But you can use your processor, but this one is too small now. So I'll just slice with my hand. Then later I'll start slicing the vegetable. I'm using ugu. You can use green. You can see I'm done with the pepper, tomatoes, and onions. So I'll now start with the ugu leaves. Just take a handful. You know how to cut your own leaf. I'm going to use my own method. If you prepare this for your husband during the weekend, I bet you he's going to stay around you for the weekend. But this is what our husband normally go out to go and take with beer, that they will not come back early. So just try this and then you thank me later. You can also use this sauce to eat yam or rice, and you can just take it alone like that. So delicious and so nourishing. So guys, you can see I'm done cutting the leaves. But before I go to the next step, if you are new for the first time, please subscribe. If you have been following me, thank you very much. I love you all. Please keep sharing my videos, keep liking, and give the video a thumbs up, please. I always say we have to move our ministry to the permanent site. So let's do this together. So I'm done now. Let me go and check the chicken. My people, I'm back to check the chicken. You can see the water is drying. I don't want water in this pot because the ugu leaves will bring out its own water, and I don't want the sauce to be watery. So I'll just allow it to dry a bit before I continue. You can see it's drying up. I'll just keep stirring. Let it continue drying. You can see it is almost dried, but I can manage with this. So add in some red palm oil in the pot so the chicken can absorb the oil. I'll keep stirring, then let it dry a bit. The first time I ate this thing, I'll tell you I loved it. And I've been falling in love with this for a very long time. So I'm adding the pepper, tomatoes, and onions. Then I'll add in the crayfish. Then the bouillon cubes. I'll just keep stirring it. Allow it to dry some more. I'll add some salt at this moment, but I'll still add some more salt when I add the ugu leaves. I allow it to be cooking for some time so it can absorb the oil very well and let the tomatoes cook very well too. See what we have here. So now I'll be adding the main baba of this our sauce, which is the Ugba or Ukpaka. You see it? I'll add it now. Let everything marry in the pot very well. See what we have here. The aroma in my kitchen is, what will I say? Is it nose blinding or eye blinding or mouth blinding? Anyone. But I sure know that the aroma in my kitchen is giving. I'm leaving for like 5 minutes so everything will just soak into the chicken. Guys, this is what we have here now. So it's time for me to add in the vegetables. Then I'll add some crayfish to the ugu leaf so you can see have some taste. Then I'll combine everything, and our Ukpaka sauce is almost ready. Please keep liking this video, keep sharing, share for me, please share for me. As you are watching, just be sharing this video for me, please. I just pray this ugu leaf doesn't bring out water. I don't want water in this thing at all. I don't want water. But no, at times ugu leaves, they know how to disgrace you. They just start bringing out water as if they are it's reservoir. So I don't want it to cook for a very long time. I'll just test for salt now, and I'll turn off the heat. I'll just add some little salt, little. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing here? Our Ugba is ready. I'm just so happy that the ugu leaves did not bring out its own juice. If not, I'll be seeing some water in the pot. So guys, this is my little secret of keeping hubby at home. To stay with me, I'll just go and chill a bottle of beer for him now, or stout. Oh, he likes taking stout. Then we'll watch television together. So guys, I'm done here. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.